Hi everyone, I am here today to unbox the Spice Madam box for January 2021. This is just a few days late, guys. I'm sorry. I've been super busy, but this one is actually for India. You can see that my dog is super interested in this. I'm sorry, guys. He is always interested to see what comes in the mail for whatever unknown reason. So this one is for India. So Spice Madam is really neat because every single month you actually get spices and recipes to be able to make a lot of different recipes. So let's see here. I'm going to unbox this all and show you guys. That's it. That's in this box. So right here I have all of the spices that I have gotten. A lot of these, guys, I'm not really sure what they are because I'm not going to lie, I've never had Indian food before. But what's really cool, I know what curry powder is. I can say that. At least I'm not that dumb. And then this is chili powder, so that's pretty cool. So what's really cool is you get your little pack and it says North India right here. And then it tells you a little bit information if you like to learn a little bit. And what's really cool is you can actually listen to the music, so they'll give you a bit.ly to be able to listen to the music while you cook. And then you get all these awesome recipe cards. And again, I have never actually had Indian food before, so I'm not really sure what most of these are, but it'll tell you on the back exactly how to make these and what you would need. So this one looks like it's going to be something sweet. So I'm assuming this is going to be some sort of dessert. So we've got that one, and again, I don't even know how to pronounce some of these, so I'm not even going to try. I think this one is naan bread. I'm not sure, but this looks actually pretty good. So, and most of everything in here doesn't look like it's any sort of scary ingredients either. It also has cilantro in it, which is pretty cool. So, and then this one, I've heard of this one before, Tandoori Chicken. So, and it'll tell you exactly what you're using in here. Like in the red, you can see chili powder, curry powder, the masala. So it'll tell you. And then it also gives you how to do for vegetarian versions too, which is cool because my daughter doesn't eat meat. So here is another one. And this one looks like it's potatoes. Basically, potato dish. And then let's see here. Cilantro mint chutney. So I think this might be a dip. I'm not really sure. Or a sauce. And then this is the last one. Samosas. I guess it's almost like a potato dumpling. I'm assuming. It must be like some sort of potato dumpling. Okay, so those are all of them. And then what's really cool is right here you will actually get a little pack that says North Indian Spices. It tells you basically what everything is. Just a little bit more about all the spices that you've gotten in your box. And then the cool thing is right here you have a shopping list. So if, let's say you want to make everything on here, it gives you exactly what you need and where it is going to be in the grocery store. So that again is the Spice Madam for January 2021, and it was for India. So if you guys love cooking and learning about different countries and actually cooking different recipes for different countries, I would highly suggest that you check them out. So I hope that you guys like this video.